When the crypto market's in a decline, you have the option of either selling your coins at a loss or hodling onto them for the long term. But what if there was a way you could hold onto your coins, not have to sell them at a loss, and still earn rewards from them even during a correction in the crypto market? Well, that, my friends, is crypto staking, a way to passively grow your holdings by earning weekly rewards from your crypto. And for long-term crypto investors like myself who are hodling strong, this is how you can continue to earn rewards from your crypto holdings even during a market decline. However, guys, crypto staking may not be for everyone, but is it right for you? Well, let's find out. So with the Crypto.com app, you can currently earn up to 14.5% rewards on a growing number of coins held on their crypto exchange. At the moment, they currently offer over 50 eligible cryptocurrencies and stable coins. Now guys, the rewards that you do earn, they do vary depending on the type of coin as well as on how long you actually want to stake your coins. But for starters, how does Crypto.com's Crypto Earn program actually work? Well, when you hold your crypto on an exchange, you're actually helping the platform increase their liquidity. And as a result, we as users are offered more competitive rewards rates when holding our crypto on the platform. Now in the crypto space, this is referred to as staking. Crypto.com's staking program is known as Crypto Earn. Essentially, staking involves locking up your coins for a preset period of time, and in exchange, you earn rewards from your crypto holdings. Now, the actual rates of rewards you'll earn are dependent on the length of time you choose to stake your coins. Obviously, guys, the longer term that you choose to stake, the higher rewards that you will actually earn. And of course, as we dive into all the features of Crypto Earn, this is an educational review. This isn't financial advice. So back to the Crypto.com app. Here you can stake your crypto and currently earn, like I said, up to 14.5% paid annually on your holdings. But the neat thing is you'll actually receive your weekly reward payouts along the way. They also provide you the flexibility of choosing from 3 different holding terms to choose from. You have your flexible term, which allows you to withdraw anytime. You have your 1-month staking term, and you have your 3-month staking term. And when it comes to the coins you can stake, like I said, you can currently stake over 50 different types of cryptocurrencies and stable coins on Crypto Earn. This includes coins like Bitcoin, Ether, Dogecoin, Kronos, USD coin, and many, many more. Now, when it comes to actually receiving your rewards payments, you do receive a weekly payout based on how much your staked coin was worth when it earned rewards that week. Plus, guys, you'll always receive your payments in the currency that you staked. So for example, if you staked Bitcoin, you would receive your weekly reward payments in Bitcoin straight to your Crypto.com Bitcoin wallet. So let's now walk through the different types of rewards rates available on Crypto.com so you can kind of get an idea of how much you can actually earn from staking your coins. So here we are now on the Crypto.com website where you can get a further look at the Crypto Earn program and the current rewards rates. As you can see, you can currently earn up to 14.5% on your crypto and up to 10% paid annually for your stable coins. So if you scroll down beneath that, you'll see some examples here like Bitcoin, Ether, and USD coin. But if you scroll further down, that's where you can kind of get an idea of all the different coins and tokens that they offer staking for. So as you can see, Kronos, you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, USD coin, and the list just goes on and on here. Now, if you scroll a bit above the supported coins list here, you'll notice a small calculator which will help you calculate how much you can expect to earn from your crypto staking on their program. So like I said, there are a couple of factors, including the type of coin you're staking. You can stake Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these coins, USD coin, Dogecoin, all of this list here. And again, you can also stake their native cryptocurrency called Kronos. But let's just say for this example, I want to stake, let's just pick a random coin. Let's say I want to stake some Dogecoin right here. And you would choose how much US dollars equivalent are you staking of that coin. So let's say I wanted to stake $5,000 worth of Dogecoin. Then it's going to ask you, are you also staking any additional their Kronos coin in addition to that, which has to do more with their crypto card right here. But let's just say for this example, I'm staking 400 or less of that. And again, the major factor here is the deposit term. Are you staking for 1 month, 3 month, or their flexible term? Again, guys, their flexible term gives you the most flexibility because you can withdraw your staking at any time. The other ones, you're locked in for 1 month or a 3-month term. However, those longer terms will give you significantly higher rewards rates. So let's say I'm staking for 3 months, $5,000 worth of Dogecoin. Here, the calculator is saying you can expect to earn $100 USD per year paid in Dogecoin. right from the Crypto.com Earn program. But like I said, you'll also notice that you actually get your reward payments weekly along the way. So here it's saying you would receive $1.92 rewards paid weekly. Now, there are many factors here. Like I said, if you're staking some additional Chronos coin, like let's say $4,000 worth of Chronos coin, and you're staking a different coin, let's just say you're staking Bitcoin here, well then you can expect to earn $200 USD per year paid in Bitcoin, or $3.85 in Bitcoin rewards paid weekly. Again, guys, no matter which coins you stake on the app, you will receive your reward payments every 7 days in the same cryptocurrency that you're staking. And like we mentioned, obviously their longer 1 month and 3 month staking terms offer the highest reward rates, while their flexible staking terms offer lower reward rates. But let's get down to the question that really matters. Is Crypto.com's Crypto Earn staking program actually worth it? Well, I would say it definitely depends on your personal goals. If you're looking to trade crypto in the short term, then locking up your coins for a set period of time, it may not make sense for you. On the other hand, if you're more of a long-term crypto investor like myself, then earning weekly rewards on your crypto holdings that would otherwise be earning you nothing just sitting there, well, that might make sense for you. Keep in mind, guys, you also don't have to stake all your coins at the same time. You can always stake a portion of your crypto to earn rewards, and you can keep the rest available for more short-term trades. Ultimately, this kind of gives your crypto portfolio exposure to both long-term rewards as well as flexibility for more short-term trades. Now, I've partnered with Crypto.com so I can help bring you tutorials on all the upcoming features to the Crypto.com app. So if you'd like to try out the Crypto.com app for yourself and start earning rewards by staking your crypto, you can actually get a $25 sign-up bonus when joining through my referral link down below in the video description. Now, if you're not familiar with Crypto.com's Visa debit cards, I definitely recommend checking out this video right here where I compare all their different crypto cards. From earning crypto cash back to earning higher rewards rates, they make a great complement to the Crypto Earn staking program. So click on over and I'll see you in that video.